Hi, how are you doing? In this lesson, we'll be learning how to create a demon face AR. So let us get straight into it. I'm not going to be using any lighting, so let's delete it. When you open the mouth, you want the mouth to be stretched. Let's do that. So I want to interpolate this value right here from 0 when you do like 1 when you open the mouth. So the first thing we want to do is get a face component for this. So here we need a couple functions. We need another function for the mouth close too. So we want the lerp to be started and to be ended also. Let's find this up. Script.liquify.radius equals intensity. So now we're done, and now so that's how it looks like. I can't even talk without turning into a demon, right? Yeah, so that's how it looks like, and yeah, when I open my mouth, it looks angrily. Normally it has only this much. So that's it for this lesson about how to create this demon face filter, and if you want to learn more, then don't forget to subscribe to my classes. Thank you and bye bye.